With some recent updates to Smart and Smart Notebook licensing, it's important to make sure that you've got the latest version of Notebook installed so that you can take advantage of any of those smart features if you do in fact have that subscription. So let's take a quick look at what that looks like when we want to install that software. I'm going to go to the web here, and I could certainly do a search for just Smart Notebook or Download Notebook, but we also have that link and information on our dock. So when I go to our dock and I find the Smart Notebook page, I can come down and I can click on this link here for downloading at home. And that's going to take me right to any web page here provided by Smart that I can do my download on. So I see a couple options, and I don't want just the basic version of Notebook, although that is what I'll start off using here. I want to make sure I come up and I choose this Access Smart Learning Suite version. That also does include the full basic version of Notebook. So I can click on that right now, and I'm going to come down and I'm going to make sure I choose the Windows version, and I click on Download. Now I've done this already. When I click that and I start the install, it's going to run me through a series of prompts and boxes and next, 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 and then force me to restart. So we have a document that's going to support this as well. If I were to go back through the document, it's going to run me through those same steps, showing where I would choose Windows and making sure that I do in fact keep the file that gets downloaded and install it. From there, I'm going to go down through this document, and again, it's going to prompt me and let me know that I'm installing the version of Notebook, but also access to the Smart Learning Suite. So I'll come through that series of install boxes, and eventually you're going to land on a page that looks like this. And that's the point where you're going to click Finish, and it will let you know that it probably needs to restart your machine. So after the restart, we can go ahead and launch Notebook. So I currently have that installed on this machine here. There's my icon right here, and I can double click that to get it started here. So right away, it's prompting me now to sign in. And remember, our Smart accounts are connected to our Google accounts. It's the same thing if you've set this up before. So if I have set it up previously, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. If not, I can go ahead and just say here and get started on that one. But I'm going to say close because I just want to launch Notebook for a second and take a look at that. It is popping up little prompts to let me know about some of the new features I may not have seen if I was previously using, say, version 17. And that's fine. I'm not worried about learning more just yet. So I'm going to go ahead and click that X, get that out of the way, and up pops Notebook. So it's letting me know here that I am using the basic version of Notebook because, again, I'm not signed in with my Smart Learning Suite subscription. So if you're one of the people that has that subscription, or if your school has purchased that subscription for you, then you can go ahead and log in. So to do that, I'm going to come up to my account and I'm going to click sign in. From there, it's kicking up my browser, and I'm already logged into the browser with my TLDSB Google account here, and I've used this before, so it's allowing me to jump right in here. I don't need to click on sign in as a teacher. It skipped that page for me, but I can click on my account. I can get myself in here. Lets me know, hey, you're all set. And now I can go back to Notebook. Perfect. So I'll just minimize that. Click OK. I can close that, and at worst, I might need, there we go. Oh, no, I don't need to restart because I can see the watermark has now disappeared. So that's going to mean that all of my features are working again, and I can go use the online suite. So that is what I would need to do to get myself updated and ready with the latest version of Notebook, avoid the watermark, and get all of the features of the Smart Suite working again.